When working with multi-body parts, there's a powerful tool that you can use to create and modify geometry. It's called the Intersect tool. The Intersect tool is really neat and has quite a few capabilities. I won't be able to show you them all here, but I'd like to show you a few ways to use it to get you started. The Intersect tool lets you intersect solids, planes, and surfaces to modify existing geometry or create new geometry. For example, you can intersect a surface with a solid to add detail to a face or remove material. You can create geometry from an enclosed cavity. For instance, if you have a mold, you can see the output part from the cavity. There are lots of other uses as well, like merging solids or capping surfaces to close a volume. Let me show you a couple quick examples. In this part, I have a surface body and a solid body. I'll launch the Intersect tool from the Insert, Features drop-down menu. I'll select the two bodies and click Intersect. When I do, the Regions to Exclude list populates, and I can choose which regions I'd like to keep or get rid of. You can use the Invert Selection button to update your preview and flip your selections. At the bottom, you have the options to merge result, which functions just like it does everywhere else in SolidWorks, and the ability to consume surfaces. If you check this box, the surfaces will be absorbed by the Intersect feature, which you may want, or you can keep it cleared to keep the surfaces. When I click the green check, you can see the results. Pretty easy, right? Even though it's easy to use, if you use it creatively, you can create some really complex geometry that would have required many more features in the past. Let me walk through one more example. Here I have a multibody where the bodies are overlapping. I'd like to use the Intersect tool to create a solid from the overlapping region, similar to what you'd get with a combined common feature. I'll launch the Intersect tool and select the two bodies. Next, I'll click Intersect and the Regions to Exclude updates. In the Regions to Exclude, I can see the three regions here, the two original bodies and their intersection. I'll choose to remove the two original bodies and click the green check, and you can see the resulting part.